So in this video I am going to show how to use the exam module. So I am using the browser version. I request all the teachers to use the browser version for using the exam module. So here I am entering the details, username and the password. So this is the basic profile for particular teacher. Here from the menu have to scroll down. You can see exams towards the end, the last menu. You should choose the last menu for the exam module, that is the exams. You can see the last menu as exams. Click onto that. So this is the exam module. Okay, this is how it looks when you click onto the exams menu. Here you can see three horizontal lines towards the right side corner, top corner of this page. Click onto that three horizontal lines. Here you have to take the questions. First we are going to create the questions for a particular exams. The exams can be like unit test, midterm test, or like half yearly test, or final exam, model exam, periodic exam, term 1, term 2, or class test. For any test you can use this particular exam module. So here we are going to create questions for that. So you can see the fourth menu, questions. So click onto the questions menu. When you click onto the questions menu, you can see a page where here you have to add the questions. You can see a green button named as add new questions. Here you can add different questions, and also you can create in different patterns, like fill in the blanks, true or false, then objective and subjective. So these are the 4 types of questions you can add in this. So I am going to give a subject GK. The question type, the first question type I am going to add is the objective. Next I am going to choose a class. So here I am going to choose a class standard 3A. So here I have already created few questions. So the teacher can now use the search criteria to see the particular questions already added. Now we will see how to add new questions. Click on to add new questions. Then you can select which type of questions you are going to add first. It can be objective, or it can be either true or false, fill in the blanks, or subjective. First I am going to give objective questions. So here the question tab is already open. Type your questions here. So I am going to type few objective questions here. My first question is, which is our national bird? I am going to give an options here itself. That first option would be hen. Second I am giving peacock. The third option, I am clicking on the third option. The third option I am giving crow. And the fourth option I am giving it hummingbird. So like this you can also give option 5 or option 6. Then next choose the correct answers. So I am giving the correct answer as answer 2, like that is given by the teacher. It is not shown to the students, only teacher is able to view that. Come down, and now we have to give which class. We have to add the other details. The class is standard 3A, the subject as GK. Then you can enter the marks for the particular question. So I am giving, this is for a 1 mark question, so I am giving 1, and you can add 0 if there is no negative mark, or else if you can add like 1, -1, 1, 2, 3 if you have any negative marks. So I am giving 0 here. because there is no negative marks. And you can give a difficulty phase, like you can just select one, set one, anything. So I'm saving it, click onto the save button. So that particular question is added. So if I have 5 objective questions, you can add the next question. Like I'm going to add the next objective question, that is, which is our national animal? So here itself you can give the options. Option 1 I'm giving tiger. Option 2 I'm giving lion. Option 3 I'm giving elephant. And option 4 I'm giving dog. So I gave 4 options, option 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now I'm going to give the correct answer as a 1 is the correct answer. And select the class again and the subject as GK. Marks again I'm giving 1 mark. You can give 0 and the difficulty level you can set 1. And then click onto the save button. So I added 2 objective questions. Next I am going to add the true or false. Color of elephant is red. So you can give the option true or false here. So you can give the answer here as false. Just select subject GK. Mark is again 1. You can give 0. Difficulty level you can set as 1 and then you can click on to save. That is a true or false question. Now you can give a subjective question, like you can write as give 5 points, 5 sentence or 5 sentence on about air. You can select the class. You can select the subject GK. You can give the marks as 5 mark, then 0. Then select the difficulty level, like we can set the difficulty level as 3 or something. Then you can click on to save button. So we have added objective, true or false, same like fill in the blanks. You can give here the question. You can give any question. And the blank space you can give it here, and you can similarly select the class and everything else here itself. So we have added the questions, needed questions. Now we can go back to the questions. So you can see that I have added 1, 2, 3, 4 questions right now. The first 4, please check the first 4 questions I added here. Now you go back to the exams. Now we added the questions, like you can add any number of questions in add new questions. Also, if you want to delete any particular questions, you can also do that. So if I want to delete a particular question, you can click to the You can select and you can click delete. So those exams has been deleted. Sorry, that it was added previously, so sorry, I'll show that later. So these are the first 4 is the questions we recently added. Now again click on to the 3 horizontal lines which is on top right corner. Go back to the exams. Click on to the exams. Now we should add all these 4 questions which we created to a particular exam. So you have to create a exam. So you should give a name for the particular exam. Click on to add new exam. Okay, so now we have to add a particular exam. So here I am going to write as term 3 exam. Okay, you can write anything and you can mention the pass percentage. See, if I am giving a pass percentage 50%, you can give any pass percentage. I am giving here 40%, 40 as a pass percentage. You can give any instruction regarding the exam. And you can give a duration. I am giving a duration as 60 minutes. You have to write the duration, exam duration in minutes. Then you can give attempt count, that students, they will be the student will have a particular a button to attempt the question. So you can give a limit, like how many times the student can attend the click onto the particular attempt button. So here I am giving 3 as a count, and you can mention the start date. I am giving the start date as today itself. The time I am going to give is 21:30, and the end date is again the same date I am giving as 22:30 for 1 hour. If you want to show the answer sheet, you can mention yes and show the answer sheet, or if you can select no also. Then select the particular class. If you have any negative marking, you can mention that. Here there is no negative mark. Then if you want to give a random questions like to students, like the questions will be shuffled, and then give if it is a paid exam, no. Then browser tolerance, you can give yes, and 0 for like expiry days, like you can mention 1 as a expiry date, because if you this date, after the particular date, this answer questions won't be available. You can like mention result after finish, like no need of that, because you will be having subjective. So you can use it. I mean, after evaluation only you can publish the result. Then mode of exam, then instant result, no. Option shuffle, you can shuffle the questions, and after giving all these options, you have to click on to save. Now you can see the exam has been saved. So the questions has been added to the so now you can see the questions. So you can see these are the questions we want to, I mean, now we created the name of the exam, and to that we have to add the particular questions which we created before. So these are the questions which I have created. Give 5 sentences about air. Color of elephant is red. Which is our national animal? Which is our national bird? So I am going to click on this check box, like the 1, 2, 3, 4. The first 4 questions I am going to add to the exam. Name of the exam is term 1, term 3. So I am going to add all these to the term 3. So you can see, like if you want to add each one individually, you can click onto the green button which is next to 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to add all the 4 together, you can see the add to exam on top. So here I am going to click onto the add to exam. So all the 4 questions will be added to the term 3 examination. So now you can see the color has changed. You can see the questions level set 3, the difficulty level you can see. Same time the marks also you can see here. Now you can go back to the exams. When you go back to the exams, you can see the exam name which we created is term 3 and the start date is 1/9/2020 to 1/9 today. This is for the particular date, and for 1 hour class is for standard 3 and the exam, and the status which is seen in the blue color. This you have to make it to active, then only the student can attempt the particular question paper or the particular exam. So you have to click this blue button, you have to activate it. So I am going to click on this blue button, inactive button. When you click onto the inactive button, you can see the particular status has changed, and now the question, now the exam is being activated. And here this is the action button. So you can click onto the action button and you can see various actions. If you want to see the entire questions, like question exam details, you can see here. Start date is 9:30 p.m. Then end date is this. Browser tolerance, subjective, objective 2, true or false 1. So these are the details. Total 4 questions. All the details will be available in this. And if you want to view the questions, you can see there is a option called view questions. When you click onto the view questions, you can see these are the questions. Now this is how you should add the questions. The procedure to add the questions and the questions to the particular exam, the scheduling a particular exam is basically over. So here in questions, click on to add new questions to add different questions. Once you add the questions, you come back to exams, then create a name for the particular exam and add all the questions to the particular exam name, then activate the exam. Now I will show you how to add or insert a particular image to the question paper. So if it is a subjective question, okay, the question will be X, Y, Z, A, B, C. Okay, this is a question. Okay, and if you want to add, or like you cannot enter any question, like if you want to copy a particular image, okay, you if it is a language class, or if it is a Hindi class, or if it is a Tamil, you can actually cut and copy the particular image in your system somewhere, and you can insert that image as a question. So if you want to insert an image, you have to click on to the load editor. This is the load editor button. Click on to the load editor. So you can see the file, edit, insert, view, format, table, tools, etc. Okay, so this is the insert button. Click on to the insert image. Okay, this is the insert image. Also you can use special characters also you can use. So here I am inserting a particular image. Take it from the file manager. Click onto the files which is saved in your system. So I am inserting a particular image. So these are few images which I have already copied. This will be more friendly when you use your desktop. So these are the few images which I have copied. So I will add few images. So this particular image has been added. Click OK. Now the question. So this will be the question. If this is the question, it is added already here. So this is the option. Click on to insert. Click insert images. Take it from the file manager. Click on to the like this save options. Save button. Then you can select from your file. You can either take it from here. I'll if you have any chemical formula or anything, that has been added. Then you have to click OK. That particular image has been added. Then again the same procedure you have to follow. Then save it. So you can use load imager also to insert images. Like if you are using Tamil or if you are using Hindi, like if you have any images already copied in your system or in your mobile, you can insert the particular image from the load editor. You can see the for all the type of questions you have this load editor available. Or else if you're using a mobile, like you can also there are different apps available like Tamil typing apps or Hindi typing apps. So if you can type that, you can use that particular option also to type the particular questions in different languages. For inserting image, you can use the load editor. So this is where we are creating the questions and come to the exams, and this is where you can see the exams where we are creating the particular exam. So now next what we have to see is like we have to see how the like teacher can evaluate the students answer sheet. Okay, so we will come back to that. So here you can see that I have already created like exam class test 1. This is one which I have already previously created one. So we can see, you can see like how to see the particular students, how the student has been answered to particular questions and how you can evaluate it. Click on to action, and then you have to click on to view. In the view page you can see a green button that is a finalize result. Click on to the finalize result. Here this is the place where you can evaluate the students answer sheet. So all the questions answers will be seen here. So question 1 example, this is the previous one which I have created, which is our national bird. So actually this is a wrong question I have mentioned. So here is where you can see the marked answer is hummingbird. So that is wrong basically. So mark obtained is like no mark is obtained. Next question is which is our national animal. So the marked answer is tiger. The student has answered tiger. So you can see the mark is 1 mark question and the mark obtained is 1 mark. It's checked by the system. Next you can see an objective question. So the objective question is 5 points about air. So the student has written only 2 points like air is everywhere, we need air to breathe. So the student mark obtained, I give only the, here you can actually update the mark. You can give a mark automatically, we can give the mark here. That I'll show you again. So this is how you can actually evaluate the question paper. And above when you come here you can see the students details. Total mark is 12, obtained mark is 5, and finalized by the particular teacher. Final result finalized is failed. So here is where you can evaluate the particular answer sheet. So we'll come back to that. Now we'll go to a student profile and see how the student can answer the particular question. I'm going back to the student application. So here you can see the questions, the exam we scheduled for the particular class. You can see the term 3. This is student profile. Please note this is Mohammed Rafan 3A. This is student profile. Okay. So we are going to see how this student can answer the particular question paper. So the term 3, the date is 1/9. Okay, the expiry date is 1 day. It will expire tomorrow. Attempts like 3 attempts he can do. Actually, like you can give only 1 attempt. But in case if there is any network issue, anything comes, like they can refresh and come back and do again. So that's why I gave 3 attempts. So this green button, the Blue button, when you click the blue button, you can see the details of the particular questions. Exam details. The term 3 type exam is this. Passing percent 40%. Duration is 1 hour. Start date and end date. Negative marking, no. Total marks is 8. GK 4 questions. That is a blue button. Next, this green button is where you have to start answering. Click onto the green button. Now you can see few terms and conditions. Please close all your windows. Don't press on F9. That is for a security reasons, because if students are using any other browser or chat options during the examination. Please close all programs that uploaded during or download files. So it will be noted. So here it's asking instruction of term 3. I am ready to begin. Click onto that. Exam starts. Mohammed, you had navigated away from the test window. This will be reported to moderator, because I have opened many other windows. So that is why it is showing like that. So do not repeat this behavior, otherwise you will be disqualified. So this is a notification because I have opened many other windows in the background. So this is how the student is going to answer the particular question. So question number 1. The correct answer 1, wrong answer minus. There is no minus points. Which is our national bird? So here the student is going to click on to peacock, and you can click save and next. Next question is color of elephant is red. It is false. I am clicking on to save and will go to the next question. Give 5 sentences about air. Air is everywhere. We need air to breathe. Then we cannot see air. So I am only giving 3 questions. I mean 3 and sentences answers. Which is our again by mistake I have added which is our national animal. No, these are 4 questions. Which is our national animal? I am giving tiger. Save and next. So here they are asking you are you sure you have reached last question of test? Please click on to submit button. Okay, this is the only 4 questions. I clicked